Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a classic pop rock song from the 1960s called California Dreamin'. It was written by John Phillips and Michelle Phillips and made famous by the Mamas and the Papas. Their version peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100 in March of 1966. Another interesting note about this song: it's actually number 89 on the Rolling Stones top 500 songs of all time. And that's quite an accomplishment. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, for today's guitar tutorial and cover, I'm using a capo on the 3rd fret. Keep that in mind if you want to play along with me. Now, there are 4 chords that you need to know to get through this particular song, and one of them is the dreaded F bar chord. Yes, probably the most feared bar chord in all of guitar. I don't even play it very well myself, to be honest with you. In fact, I end up playing more of a power chord just to get through it. But nonetheless, you need to know it and have a general understanding of how it works to play this song. Let's have a closer look at the chords that you need to know. First one is an A minor. You need to know an E major. And you need to know a G chord. And lastly, that F bar chord. You need to know all 4 of those to get through this particular song. Let's have a closer look now at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, I've seen this song covered many times over the years by a variety of different artists, all of which put their own flair into the song, and I'm no different. I do this song slightly different than the original version by the Mamas and the Papas. But I think you'll find that it really works nicely. I hope you do anyway. Let's start. It starts on the A minor chord. Here we go. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. And I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming, winter's day. And that's it. It's as simple as it is. That's the chord progression and a little bit of strumming through the entire song. Very easy to do. Okay, you know the routine. Now we're going to mic it up, and I'm going to use a great backbeat for my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice those chords and that chord progression, and be ready to join me. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on a winter's day. Stopped into a church I passed along the way. Well, I got down on my knees and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher like the chord. He knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on a winter's day. All the leaves are brown, the sky's gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. If I didn't tell her I could leave today. California dreaming on a winter's day. California dreaming on a winter's day. California dreaming on a winter's day. And there you have it, a classic song from the 60s called California Dreamin', written by John Phillips and Michelle Phillips, and of course made famous by the Mamas and the Papas. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. I sure hope you like my videos. If you do, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.